So we came up with a good idea. We went to your competitor, Excel. We built 9 Excel templates for each of our portfolios. And we thought this will be great. We can collect the data, and we'll have it all in nice rows, and then when we need to bring it together, we can bring it together. Well, what happened is 9 portfolios decide to unprotect cells and do different things with drop-downs, and now you can't merge any of this data. And literally, the gentleman who wishes he was here, who's not here, is Dave Green, but he would tell you it would take 2 full days to pull all this data together to present it to our leadership team. And we're like, well, that's not, you can't do that over your lifetime. That's not what Dave should be doing or anybody should be doing. And so obviously we went with Shibumi. We all know about Shibumi. We can read all the taglines and it's here, but you know, we're just starting this journey with Shibumi. And we're really excited about having a tool where we can collect the data, we have it present, it's transparent, people can access it, and all the great functionality.